The pool house by DADA Partners unfolds as a refined retreat, with its linear courtyard centered around a stunning pool. This pool, nestled between the main residence and a timber-clad pavilion, becomes a serene focal point, enhancing the home's connection to the landscape. The layout flows seamlessly, blurring the boundary between indoors and outdoors, allowing the residence and garden to meld into a harmonious whole. As visitors approach, a series of staggered floating walls creates an intriguing journey, partially concealing the home before revealing its elegance in a carefully orchestrated progression. The timber-clad pavilion adjacent to the pool serves as an inviting recreational space, fostering a connection between the living areas and the outdoors. With towering 4-meter glazing, this structure provides uninterrupted views, while inside, it accommodates a lounge, bar, and jacuzzi, offering versatile spaces for relaxation and socializing. The pavilion's terrace overlooks the pool, accessible via a timber bridge from the master suite, creating a dynamic interaction between private and communal spaces. This layout merges leisure and tranquility, enhancing the residence's cohesive design. In keeping with the design's openness, the main residence maintains a largely open-plan layout while defining zones with thoughtful spatial variations. Upon entry, guests are greeted by the north-facing living spaces that extend towards a reflecting pool, framing a tranquil foreground. Opposite, private spaces including a family lounge and bedrooms provide both comfort and views. The lounge, with its double-height structure beside the pool, is a central gathering space, while a unique metal-clad prayer room on the first floor adds a visually striking element, juxtaposing modernity and tradition.